So I'm gonna be showing you how to add friends on the BeReal app. First thing, you would go to your BeReal app, then click this add friend icon. You can see all your contacts on BeReal. Just simply click the add button. You can also search by username. As you can see in my friend sections, I don't have friends yet in BeReal because this is a new account. But that's how you add friends on BeReal account. One way also to add friend on BeReal is to go to Discovery, and then you can look at these profiles of BeReal users. You just click on a profile and then click on add friend. And that's how easy it is to add friends on your BeReal app.